We bought a townhouse about 2 years ago. 2-bed, 2.5 bath, decent size. Once we started both working from home, we noticed that we outgrew it pretty quickly, and we've got a 65-pound golden doodle.
Boone's like my child, pretty much. And now that I'm working from home, he's by my side 24/7, so I definitely want to get him some more space because he's got a lot of energy.
The street's pretty nice.
Yeah, I like the Brookhaven area a lot.
It's Brookhaven or bust. For where they want to look and what it is they're looking to accomplish, pickings are slim. That's always the story.
There's lots of parks, there's great schools.
We'd like to spend a lot of time outside.
So we need, at least 3 bedrooms.
Definitely want to have a big primary bathroom.
Definitely need a big kitchen. You know how much we like to cook.
So our budget is around $500 to $600. We'd love to stay around that 500 mark, but I think we could push that a little bit if we found the perfect house. Oh, wow.
Front porch is cute.
Looks like it needs some landscaping. Needs a little love. Hello.
Hey.
Hi, guys.
What's going on? The brick. I love the brick.
Yeah, the brick's great.
Great. Well, prepare yourself.
Okay.
It's a good thing you're ready for renovation. Come on inside.
Okay. Floors are interesting. Cockroach.
We can charge them rent. This is your main family living room.
Sure.
So let me just go over the whole footprint for you. Come into the foyer, and you make a right, you're in the family room. You continue through to the dining, and in the back is the kitchen with the laundry room currently. Down the hallway to the left, you have your powder room, owner's suite, and another 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill in the middle.
I don't love the carpet. That's gotta go.
But we've got a real good space here. I like how I can kind of see almost all the way through the house already.
Not a lot of natural light. The ceilings feel a little low.
You're big on height, right? Did you notice the roof line outside? There's a lot of room to go up if you decided to raise the ceiling. But think about this. If the attic allows, we could open this up to the roof line and put in beams to create a high ceiling for this family room.
Okay.
Now, that's a good idea. Sort of creating a vaulted family room. Ooh, that would be beautiful. That's drama. This is your dining area. What do you think about it?
Good space.
You get your white kitchen, ta-da!
Oh, gosh, okay. I don't know about this white. What can we do in here? I'm not really sure. Obviously, the appliances have to go, the original appliances.
What do you have against a manual timer?
Would you keep the ceiling?
It'd be nice if we could go up a little bit here.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So, for the kitchen and dining room area, if you go up, why not go out? Meaning, take these walls between the kitchen, dining room, and family room. Why not blow them out, right? So now you got this all open, and we can possibly put an island in between the kitchen and dining room area, and add some height in here as well.
Okay.
We love wine, so it'd be awesome to get a little wine cooler in somewhere.
But as far as the kitchen space and flow, can this work for you?
I think so. It feels like a complete gut in here. We're pretty much reconfiguring everything.
Does that scare you?
No.
It's intimidating,
Okay.
but I like what I'm seeing so far.
Okay, so this will really tell us. You want to head to the owner's suite?
Wow.
This is huge. I can almost hear myself echoing in here.
Yeah, I like the height.
Okay. Where's the closet?
Bathroom.
Tell me what you think about that size.
It could fit Jimmy's clothes. Seems like a bit of a weird layout.
So bathroom.
Let's go.
I'm already scared.
We got a double vanity.
So the floors are a mess. They're gonna have to be refinished. They seem a little slanted.
There may have been issues with the subfloor. There could have been joist issues, but you're definitely gonna have to do some work on the flooring.
We got this cut right here.
This is the primary suite and bath.
This is gonna make so much more sense when this wall is gone.
Keeping the window.
All right. We're gonna go taller with it though. Wall goes. Toilet is gonna go in this area. Create a private room for it. All right, sounds good.
So, they decided to do vaulted ceilings in the front room. If you can prep that area, I'm gonna go in the attic and make sure everything is okay up there before we start ripping the ceiling down.
Please don't fall through the ceiling,
Oh, no, we're good.
All right,
We're good.
I appreciate
All
it.
right?
All right.
There's a lot of demo that needs to be done in the primary suite, but the most dramatic work is gonna be in the living room, taking down the ceiling and make it vaulted. This is gonna be fun. Ooh. Gymnastics.
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Coming down.
Looks like Christmas down there.
You're in your playground, aren't you?
I am.
Oh my goodness, wait till you see this.
Oh my gosh. Y'all have gotten a
Insane.
lot done.
Oh yeah, once you signed off on it, we just got straight to work.
We'll love the tall ceilings.
Yeah, the ceilings
It
are
is
great.
just gonna be amazing. So we have some materials to figure out. This is the exciting part. So what we do here is gonna count, big time.
Jimmy and Jenna have saved a lot of money. They want to do a blowout, bang-out renovation, and they're ready for it.
And they want something very modern and clean. They love black, they love white, taupes, and grays. So we're gonna go with that. So I am thinking contemporary, sleek, and clean.
Yes.
Speaking our language.
Okay. Now here, porcelain. Porcelain gives a very close look to marble, but it's extremely durable and a fraction of the cost. But you could also do quartz.
This one gets a little too bland for me.
Okay, so we'll go for the porcelain countertops. I'm excited. This is gonna be gorgeous. For this kitchen, I really think we have an opportunity to make it expansive. So I'd like to take the wall out between the kitchen and the dining room. Now we have an opportunity to have a long island, put some bar stools up to it. On the other side, I think we need to recreate this space. The bay window is what's dating it, so let's take that out, straighten it out for a new modern look. Let's add a dry bar right here for some additional beverage storage, some floating shelves, and now we've really got a look. Let's talk about your bathroom because that's the other place to add significant value. Let's carry some attitude in there. So what about an all-black shower?
Yeah.
Do we like it?
We like it.
And this is your vanity. We could do legs, but I would favor probably a floating vanity in there.
We love floating vanities.
You do?
Yeah.
Spot on.
Okay, so shower, floor, vanity.
Beautiful.
I really want to increase our footage in the bathroom a bit. We really needed to make this more functional. What I'd like to do is take the wall out, get rid of that little itty bitty tub, and we're gonna put a nice 6-foot tub that floats in front of a window overlooking your backyard. We still have plenty of room for a double vanity with the clerestory window above. With that shower, let's go bold in black. It'll really make a statement when you come in here, and it'll be so stylish. And for the floor, we just use a large format tile, nice and clean. Did we just design the main spaces of your house, or did we just do this? Phenomenal enough.
Watch your step.
Good.
Yeah, watch your step.
Oh boy, so what's going on?
The hallway floors, they were completely uneven. But now,
We're good. Bringing this joist up, rectified this area.
That's great, but I actually have some news of my own. So Jenna and I were talking the other day, and she drops this bomb on me, that she never really liked the fireplace. My thought is this: we've got these huge ceilings now. Why not go all the way up with the fireplace? And it's not gonna be expensive. Demolish this current fireplace completely. Take it down so that it's flat against the wall. We run a shiplap treatment all the way up to the ceiling, so you come in, it elongates your eye, it draws all the attention to the height of the room, right?
Okay.
That's something very inexpensive that'll have a huge impact on how you receive the room.
cost-wise, time-wise, I'm all for it. I mean, I agree with you as far as coming in and giving that wow factor. They deserve it.
By all means. Pow. Let's do it.
Done.
Yay! We're only 2 weeks away now from Jimmy and Jenna moving into their newly renovated space, and I'm starting to notice that this primary suite needs a little bit of help. All right, let's do it. I'm excited. We get to do a closet. Jimmy and Jenna, you know, they wanted luxury, and part of that luxury dream was to have a huge designer walk-in closet, and that's what we're gonna give them. I've got my girls here. We're taking some measurements. We're laying out how we'd like to see this go, and you know I love closets. You know closets are one of the things I do best. So, but we spent a lot of the budget on the things that we needed to add value, you know? So I'm gonna call in some favors so we can really elevate this puppy. What does Jenna need? What does Jimmy need? Now, I did learn from spending a little bit of time with them that Jimmy is the shoe hog. So he needs a lot of shoe storage. How about this? This is gonna be Jimmy's side. We've got our cabinet in the middle for foldables, double, shoe rack, double. I really can't wait for them to see it. They're gonna love it.
We've elongated the fireplace by running a shiplap treatment all the way up to the ceiling, and we'll soon be painting that a peppercorn color. But first, I want to finish making these boxes for the wine nook. You look good, babe.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like the combination.
Hey!
Hey,
How are
guys.
you guys?
Look at this.
You look phenomenal.
Shop, what's up?
I know you're ready to move in, right? You finally make this home. Let me just say, you guys are so smart. We are so inspired by you, especially for you to be so young and just on it. We hope you love. Come on.
You ready for this?
We're ready.
Let's do it.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm just taking it all in. I don't know what to look at.
The layout worked out so well.
This is so much bigger, so much more space than I thought we had.
Right, remember you walked in?
It was a
and
wall.
the wall right here.
Now look at the flow. But the biggest,
The
I
height.
mean, are you
right?
serious?
Yeah, this is insane.
Now seeing it, I love it. It's a statement piece.
What do you think about the fireplace?
We love it.
That's a statement too.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, kitchens sell houses.
Oh, yes, they do.
What do you think of yours?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I like that.
Wow. It's huge. It's a big kitchen.
Now you have about triple the counter space that you would have had, with the original layout.
Look at this island. This island's huge.
Porcelain turned out awesome.
Oh my gosh. Turned out beautiful.
It was so worth it because now that it's in, this is so durable. It's non-porous. You can pour wine on purpose and it won't saturate like
Got
it
enough
would
of
with
that, don't we?
marble. Yes, you do. And then we look over here at your dry bar.
Oh yeah, that antique backsplash.
Bold. This is really pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Okay, it was so smart to just go ahead and
Yeah.
put those stairs in now. You want to check it out?
Yeah, let's
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Come on.
Definitely.
Wow.
They turned out amazing.
Oh, yeah. The fireplace was a statement. The ceiling's a statement. This feels like a statement as
Yeah.
well.
Oh yeah, we've got a big vision for upstairs. I mean, we're talking 2 more bedrooms, Jack and Jill bathroom.
You got plenty of room.
And an ode to the wine enthusiasts.
Oh, yeah.
We decided to do something fun under your steps. Come check it out.
Check it out.
Oh, wow. I might just move in here. This could be my room. That's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
That's favorite part of the house.
Yeah.
Wow.
Considering you guys really needed wine storage, it just made perfect sense, right?
yeah.
And it's right across from the owner's suite, so.
I'm gonna run out
Late
and grab a quick
nights.
bottle.
All right, big moment, owner's suite. As important as the kitchen. Open this door and tell me if we nailed it.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I love the black.
He likes
I'm
it.
glad you made that reaction.
That was a last minute addition.
They was all for it.
That's the reaction we want. This is giving you that very elevated, elegant, classic feel you told me you wanted to go for. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
So remember the powder room was right here, and
Yes,
you
it was.
didn't have a huge walk-in closet, but now you do. You want to peek around the corner?
Yes.
I'll let you lead the way.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Y'all did not.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the shoe storage.
I figured we would give you more double hanging on one side, Jimmy, and Jenna gave you a little bit more long hanging. How did we do in here? Scale of 1 to 10.
This is an 11. This
11.
is easy 11.
So excited?
Ready to move in.